Well, look, there was explosive testimony today. There was some evidence that the jury in Karmelo Anthony's original trial never heard. There was information today that came out from both sides, including that there was racist incidents and assaults and fights involving Austin Metcalf and his twin brother Hunter, and that there were also some issues with Karmelo Anthony's background. And both sides were trying to keep all of this evidence away from the first jury. But today, Anthony's former lead attorney, Mike Howard, did in fact take the stand. He testified that the defense uncovered more than 53 incidents they could document involving the Metcalf twins. He said those included accusations of fighting, assaulting other students, and using racial slurs against black students. Howard also testified that some teachers and young women made accusations involving the twins. He told the court he believed the incident showed a pattern of violence, but prosecutors say they also had information about Anthony, and they wanted the jury to hear that, including allegations from an ex-girlfriend that he was stalking her after they broke up and other incidents involving his past.
Well, Rebecca, if both sides had information that they wanted to use, why did none of this come out during the initial trial?
So they had agreed, both sides, prosecutors and defense, had agreed that they were going to leave all of this out. They had a gentleman's agreement that they were not going to use any kind of character issues. However, at the last minute, the defense says that Bill Wertzke, the prosecutor, broke that agreement and was going to cross-examine Karmelo Anthony if he took the stand and would bring up some of those character issues. So apparently there was a big shouting match, according to testimony, between prosecutors and defense attorneys about this issue, and it got really heated. And now we're hearing it for the first time during this hearing.
So why does all of this matter now?
Well, because his attorneys now, his new defense attorneys, Karmelo Anthony's new defense attorneys, believe that his rights were violated, that he did not get a fair trial because some of this evidence wasn't presented at the original trial. So now they want this new evidence presented in front of a new jury. So they're asking this new judge to throw out this conviction and grant Karmelo Anthony a new trial.
All right, our Rebecca Lopez reporting live for us tonight from that appeals hearing. And stay tuned to WFAA for continuing coverage on today's hearing on air and on our free streaming app. We'll also be streaming our After the Hearing special immediately after the 10 o'clock news.